dress up our writing by using a because clause. This is my original sentence, and it's written right on your paper. Remember I said my third graders wrote this before we dressed it up? Now we have to dress it up. The sentence says, the bat makes a cut in the animal's skin. Will you read that with me, please? The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin. Why does the bat make a cut in the animal's skin? Because of what? Talk to your group. It's in your article. We talked about it.
Or they could survive their blood.
All right, give me 5. You are so right. I heard you say the bat makes a cut in the animal's skin because, why? Because it drinks their blood. All right. So what I want you to do now in your groups is I want you to come up with one sentence, a good sentence, that has the because in it. So you're going to start it. The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin because, and then I want you to come up with the rest of that sentence, and you have to put your heads together and talk, all right? And then I'm going to call in a couple of your groups. No writing. We're not writing yet. Okay, go ahead and talk about your sentence. The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin What did you guys say? Whoa. All right, give me 5. Woo, we got some smart kiddos here, some great English sentences. All right, I'm going to call in a few groups. And I don't know if you're numbered, but my groups were numbered, and each kid had a number, but I might have to point to somebody today. But I'm going to start with Table 2. And Table 2, would you read the whole sentence, adding your because clause? Who wants to be the speaker on that one? Why don't you be the speaker right there, okay? All right, go ahead and read it. Let's listen.
The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin because it needs to drink the blood to survive.
Because, I'm going to write that up here, it needs to drink the blood to, what was that big word you used? To
survive.
Oh my goodness, to survive. All right, let's give Table 2 a fireworks cheer. All right, it goes like this. Ready? All right, I want you to read their sentence with me. Now, we just did a because clause. We're going to read it together. All right, here we go.
The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin because it needs to drink the blood to survive.
Nice job. I'm going to call on another table. Let's see. If I was pulling out my sticks, I would call on Table 5. Got your sentence? Go ahead and say it for your group. Martine. Go. What did you guys come up with? Almost the same? Can you tell it to me what you came up with? Starting with the bat. Okay, I'm going to come back to that group. All right? Let's see. Which other group was ready? Right here. Will you tell us your sentence? And you go ahead and tell us right there. Up.
The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin because it needs to survive.
Because it needs to survive. What's What's it surviving on? Is it surviving on the skin? What's it surviving on?
The blood.
So how can we add to that sentence and dress it up even a little bit more? It needs to survive
With the blood.
on blood. Okay? So on blood. Now, can I tell you Mrs. Palmer's sentence? Because I think some of yours are actually better than mine. Mine was, because, I always have to be thinking. If I ask you guys to think, I have to be thinking, right? So this was mine. The bat makes a cut in the animal's skin because it must drink blood to live. Can I write that one? Because it must drink blood to live. Now, I want to tell you something. What grade is this? Third?
Third.
I think you guys even used a better word than me. About 3 minutes. If you need to come and look, your eyes